How to check Instagram call history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for tips and tricks. Okay, now to check Instagram call history, first open your Instagram app and go to the person of which call history you want to check. You can check it like this. However, if you want to date it back to many days ago or weeks ago, then what you can do is just go to your phone app and go to recents, and there you go. All the names are mentioned, and below Instagram audio is written, which means the call was made on Instagram. So, in this way, you can check your Instagram call history. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.